In this video, I take a Sunday drive through North Johns Creek. I drive on Sargent Rd, starting from McGinnis Ferry Rd, heading west, ending on Jonesbridge Road. Sargent Rd is notable in that there are several HOA neighborhoods off the street consisting of several hundreds of homes. Sargent Rd is also a major throughway in North Johns Creek. You will have drivers trying to cross from the west to the east side of North Johns Creek and vice versa. And because there are so many HOA neighborhoods, we get a fair amount of traffic for that as well. Here is a Google Map screenshot of my starting and end points of my drive. And this is where I begin my drive. If there are any parts of Johns Creek you'd like to see on video, please put your suggestions in the comments below. Thank you.